Hi, I'm Mark from Timberwolf Tools, and I have in front of me the Makita 10 1/4 inch saw, the 5104. It's a fairly new saw. It came out in May of 2008, and it is such an improvement over its predecessor. I mean, the base is nice and solid and flat, and the handles are easy to grip, and it's balanced. You can also see the blade well. They've actually perforated the metal with slots so you can sight your blade. This saw cuts to 3 3/4 inches. And I know some of you are going to say, oh, but why couldn't they make a 4-inch deep cut with their saw? But you know, when you're making tenons 4 inches, what's a 1/4 inch, especially if you're housing those tenons anyway? And a lot of the milled lumber is under 8 inches anyway. So I'm going to try to cut this 7 1/4 inch beam. I'll have to roll it over and see if 2 cuts will do it and see how close the cut is. See how nice and true it is at half point here, following the line. It's a great saw, easy to operate, light, so much easier than the bigger ones. A good tool makes work fun.